Today I'm going to show you how to hide a section in Wix. This is particularly useful when you want to temporarily remove content from view without deleting it, or when you're building conditional layouts that adapt based on user interactions. If you want to get started on Wix, you can click on the link in the description down below. First, head over to the Wix website and log into your account. Once you're in your Wix dashboard, look at the left navigation menu and click on Site and Mobile App. A drop-down selection will appear with several options. From here, click on Website to access your site settings. Now you'll see the website settings page displayed in front of you. Take a moment to confirm that this is indeed the website where you want to hide a section. It's always good to double check this, especially if you manage multiple sites, to avoid making changes to the wrong project. Once you've confirmed you're working on the correct site, locate the Design Site button at the top part of your screen. This button is typically positioned beside a pen icon, making it easy to spot. Go ahead and click on it to proceed to the editing environment. You'll now be directed to the Wix website editor screen. This is where the magic happens. The first thing we need to do here is turn on Dev Mode, which gives us access to more advanced customization options. Look at the top section of your editor and click on Dev Mode. A drop-down window will appear, and from there, click on Turn on Dev Mode. Once you activate this, you'll notice the interface changes slightly to accommodate the additional features. After Dev Mode is activated, you'll see that a code editor has been added to the bottom part of your screen. This is where you can make more technical adjustments to your site's behavior. Now select the specific section you wish to hide by clicking directly on it in the editor. You'll know it's selected when you see the selection handles appear around it. With your section selected, look at the bottom right part of your screen. You'll see a panel labeled Default Values, and within this section you'll find two options, Hidden and Collapsed. Simply tick the Hidden checkbox to hide this section from view. The difference between these options is that Hidden removes the section entirely from the visible page, while Collapsed might still occupy some space depending on your layout settings. And that's it. You've successfully hidden a section in Wix using Dev Mode. This method ensures the section remains part of your site's structure but won't be visible to visitors. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.